Bienvenidos a Pequeña Havana. Welcome to Little Havana. If you have ever wanted to invest in Miami or find a property to house hack for yourself where you can live in one unit and have a tenant on the other side help you lower the housing expenses, well, I'm honored to present my newest listing on 10th Street, literally just 2 blocks away from 8th Street, aka Calle Ocho. Well, my name is Michael Valencia. I'm one of the top 5 realtors in Miami according to Rate My Agent. I'm with La Maca Realty, and this is living in South Florida. Let's go check it out. Built in 1958, this duplex sits on a corner 4,895 square foot lot. It has 2 separate electrical meters, and each unit has just under 700 square feet of living space with 2 beds and 1 bath. Location, location, location. Just 13 minutes away from Brickell or downtown Miami, and it's just less than 5 miles from the University of Miami. If you want to know more about this property or any other property in South Florida, all of my information is in the description below. I look forward to hearing from you.